Hey everybody, it's Poochie. Join us as we shop TJ Maxx to find some retail arbitrage goodies. Okay, we're at TJ Maxx and Leanne found some stuff. Kate Spade, and the price on this is $19.99. Reaction, kind of cool. How much is that one?
This is only $4.99.
$4.99. Wow.
And it retails for $38.
And you know, that's the thing about it. You don't always have to sell stuff just for what it retails for. There's Betsy Johnson. This one's cute. The dogs. How much is that? $19.99. That's a good one. Michael Kors. Purse. $24.99. Doesn't say compare at, but we can figure that out on our own, can't we? And Betsy Johnson, the little kitty cat purse. That's really cute. And that one is, can you turn that? I only have one hand. Well, it says MSRP $58. Where's the price? Oh, it's over on this side, $19.99. So, there you go. And see, here it says MSRP $58, and then over here it says compare at $38. So even that price is a little bit low, it looks like. Okay, here we're looking at shoes, and you have Michael Kors shoes. These are nice. Okay, $44, and this is what you look for, the clearance stuff, because that's the stuff that's extra good deals. And you have all sorts. I mean, these are Steve Madden. Those are Vince Camuto. Show me those. How much are those? Oh my.
They are $32 on sale.
Nice shoes.
I know, right?
And then you have Nike. Okay. And here, $36 for the Nikes, or the Nikes. I was raised in Portland. We used to call them Nikes. Circus. What are these bad boys up here? Look at those. Those do some damage. Vince Camuto again. And those are... It's hard to get the tags when I'm video taping. 32. Well, I guess it's not tape. I'm recording. What about those? You see these right there? Those are really cool. They look like Chuck Taylors.
These are American Eagle.
American Eagle. Those are cool.
They
How much are
cool.
those?
Let me see here.
The
$6.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you put those in the cart for me?
Yes.
Those are cool.
I put the
I like those.
ones in the cart.
So there's all sorts of stuff. There's Adidas. What about the animal print ones down there?
Those are unlisted.
No, the animal print. I mean, I guess those are kind of zebra print.
They're 9 West.
9 West. Look at those babies. I mean, man. Okay, so there you have it with the shoes. Oh, look at those down there, Leanne. With the sparkles, the black ones. Oh my.
Those are Zara Basic.
Those are interesting.
They
Yeah, I always like the flashy ones.
They are interesting.
You know? So there you have it. Shoes at TJ. Now we're in clearance of the purse aisle. Ooh. I mean, there's stuff all over the store, but the clearance aisle just has a little bit better deal. Michael Kors, right? For $96, it was normally $19.99 here. DKNY. Michael Kors again. Like that. That's cool. It's a nice purse. So here's what we have. Normally, this is so hard to do one-handed. Compare at 110. Their price is $59.99, and now it's $44. These are cute. Here we are in the normal clearance section for ladies' clothes. I'm not really finding anything in here that I'm interested in, but there's some cool pieces. It's just, yeah. Oh, that feels really good. Poof apparel. So this is a really nice sweater. If you look at it, I don't know if you can. Nice. $13. This feels really nice inside, very, very soft. It's 20 bucks. Just going through the racks, guys. Not finding a lot over here though. That's nice. Sunday fun day. Now we're in the toys and stuff. Looking at the clearance again. And we found some stuff. Some of it we're going to put on eBay rather than Amazon because we are restricted on Amazon. But a couple things, like, you know, $5, selling for like 40 bucks. So that's pretty good. We'll keep looking. Okay, guys, so that's it for TJ Maxx. We found some really good stuff. And the great thing about TJ Maxx is if you source there, they have a 30-day return policy. So even if you get something and then you find out after you get home or you find out like a week later, it's not really going to be a seller for me, you can take it back. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and watch for more. Thanks, guys, for watching.